Welcome to my YouTube channel, Scientist. Today we will learn how to read a research paper and what to read in a research paper. A research paper contains four different parts: introduction, introduction portion, and result and discussion portion, material and method section, material and method section, and finally conclusions. Now, our research paper contains many topics such as its name consists of NRL T4-dihydroxyacetylcholine, carbothiamide analogs, and a potential urease inhibitor. Means two different research researcher have different two different researchers have different needs. One of them wants to read synthetic portion, another wants to read a biological activity portion. Now the if somebody wants to read the biological parts, which is a potential urease inhibitor, inhibition of urease. So first of all, introduction, you will write the introduction of urease. Urea is the chief nitrogenous leftover biological system, which is highly metabolized by the action of microorganisms. So after the writing the introduction portion, then you have to write the result and discussion portion. In this result and discussion portion, you have to write about the urease inhibitor activity in vitro. So NRL-3,4-dioxygen one subjected for first time possible urease inhibitor activity. It is integrated to mention that whole library of compound was to be against. So after this, we have material and method. In material and method, you show that, yeah, or you tell that how did you do the activity of these all 20 compounds and the which materials were used. So all material NMR was used, spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, Fab was used, and IR was also used. So this portion, and this is a general synthesis procedure. And now, okay, and this is about the urease inhibitor was performed by following method of this 1976 and test compound was incubated with the urease solutions, different solutions at this urease was added. Then this is the procedure that how did you do the activity if you are interested in the activity. So final portion is conclusion. You will write also something about urease inhibitor. If you are interested in synthetic portion, which is NRL 3,4-dihydroxycarbonyl carbothiamide analogs, in in introduction portion, you write about the heterocyclics because acetylcholine is a heterocyclic compound. Then about your topic isoquinoline. Then you tell about the research group that has the research group. Why did your group has used this topic, and they have taken our research group have reported a range of nitrogen content cycling, including difference. Okay, difference nitrogen compounds. That would be your that is your rationale of the study. Tells that our research group has used different nitrogen compounds such as thiolene and different others. Now the why we have taken this, because we had identified different urea's potential. Now we would like to enhance the activity of this. After that, you have to write or read an ACR of this. What does ACR mean? Structure activity relationship. What does a structure activity relationship tells? Let's check a little bit about this. This is a structure activity relation. Actually, the structure activity relationship tells that how does functionalities and their positions play a role in the activity. So let's check the one of them. As we see that the trifluoromethyl group, methyl substituted acetylcholine's are the first meta substituted, para substituted, and oh sorry, ortho, para, and meta substituted trifluoromethyl groups. First, ortho substituted has acid 50 value to 26.8, and while switching from the ortho to para, the IC50 value has decreased when the potency of the compound has increased by the switching of position, while switching from the para to meta, uh, activity was decreased. Decreased. This is the SCR activity relationship of compounds. How you write and explain the SCR of now the we have result and discussion posts. In the result and the discussion posts that how compounds were synthesized. Let's read a different anaerobic dihydroquinone compounds were synthesized by treating different isocyanides under basic condition, and reaction was carried in acetone by stirring room temperature from 5 to 30 minutes. Reaction was productively observed by the TLC thermal chromatography, and this is our result and discussion portion. Now the finally method and material. You read method and material of this series. Okay, this is a general procedure for our compounds. How these compounds were synthesized. 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroisoquinone was used, and when 1 millimole and different isocyanide equimolar were taken in acetone 10 ml and in 100 ml round bottoms. Then potassium carbonate was added in the reaction mixture and stirred for the 5 to 30 minutes. The product was monitored by the through TLC, and the system that was hexane ethylated. The ratio was 8 to means 80 to 20. This is and now finally how to write the data. And this is the data. I will explain the writing of data, how the data is calculated, how the data is used, and we will I will explain next video. Thank you for watching.